Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set road computing on the Eurowag Navi application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find the settings button. Here go to the first option, the route and navigation, and here you can find the route planning section. Click that and you can select three options: the fastest route, the shortest route and the economic route. And just select one and click that. For example, the shortest route. Click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.